音出ねえな。
日本語で説明しています。そのため
出た。これでとりあえず難関の1個クリア。ハローハロー。ハローハロー。これどうやって直すんだろう。下手にいじると良くないことが起きそうだしな。グッドモーニング。日本人しかいねえ問題。なるちゃん言うな。まあいい。時差です。この画面を OBS から切り替える方法が分からなくて、ちょっと途方に。Next place. So, okay.
USB やん。この辺じゃん。どっちかで切り替えやから。
でもここに HDMI1、2ってあるんだけど、明らかに使うなという強いオーラを感じる。
タイプ C ね。OK OK。確かにね。っていうことは。
だからこれをグリグリいじると。
そうなの？いや、ここにあるじゃん。でも多分これは今こっちのここにパソコンが入ってるでしょ、確か。
そう。
そいつのになってんじゃない？
がこれと同じものが写ってる。これを写したいイメージですね。
そうそうそうそうそうそう。
えいえいこれ PC になってるんだね。
うん。
っていうことはやっぱ下だな。画面が切ったよ。確かここ開けてやってたやん。
あ、本当？
確か。開けてたんだがキーボード。このキーボードは誰の？
このキーボードはここ。
この子か。
この
ああ、それか。
この子。
ああ。でも今多分録画中だからずっとこいつはこいつでどうにもならないのかな。
うん。多分録画してくれてるんだと思うんだけど。
なんか、そうか、これの HDMI、これはでも、あれですかね。
もしかしてこれ HDMI インになってるからこれすんじゃないの？違うか。あ、でもこれもロックされてるな。っていうかどういう構成にしてんのかさっぱわかんないからな。
これがキャプチャーボードで、これがこう切って、なんか良さそうな感じですけどね。
すごく良さそう
見た目の。
そう。問題はこれを映すとこのままこれで映されてしまうことなんで、僕のセッションなんかそれでいいんだけど。
これはちゃうか。
下手にいじっていじり壊してもよくないしね。
もう今日一日何もできないって。でもなんか、そうな
違うな。お？あ、なんか違うな。これは違うな。これはオーディオの話だな。HDMI インで。
でもこれ HDMI をここに出して、
USB なんだよねこいつ。
なんか、これが USB のキャプチャーボードっぽく
そうだよね。
ですよね。
大丈夫じゃない。
大丈夫じゃ
相変わらず
やっぱりダメでしょ。
切り替え。
ごめんごめん。ちょっと読むか
あ、呼ばなきゃダメだよ。
読んだ方がいい。
構成が特殊だからよくわからん。
どこに呼びに行けばいいのかな。
読みかちょっと待って、これできない。ダメか。
入力を切り替えるでいいんだけど。
全能投影ってのがあるね。
あ、これだ、これな。いったいった。
いや、それは来たけど、標準するにはどうするわけ？
いや、まあこれは単にこうする。
いけた？
こうすればいいね。
あ、来た来た。
で、これ英語で話す意味あるの？ありがとう。
あ、小笠さんちゃんと作ってきてくれた。俺は全くそういうの作ってこれな。
アドリブでやれるほど。アドリブでやれるほど英語が達者じゃないんですよ。
いや、
It's time to start. I'm wondering, so I have to speak this presentation in English, but anyway, so I'll try to do that. Okay, welcome to the OSPN Japan Special Track Day 2. Let me introduce myself a little bit. So I'm Naruhiko Ogasara from Japan, and OSPN Japan Special Track Day 2 handler. And I am an OSS enthusiast from Japan. I live in Sakura, Chiba City, nearby Narita International Airport. And I love kayaking. It's short introduction. Anyway, so maybe Ota-san already talked about this topic yesterday, but this is my point of view. So OSPN is an open source people's network. This is a Japanese meta community of OSS lovers. Large inter-community connecting, community connecting various OSS communities in Japan. For example, a language community, Python, Ruby, Java, or something else, and also database, MySQL, Postgres, or something else. Or, of course, OpenStreetMap, or FOSS4G, or desktop environment, for example, GNOME, LibreOffice, or something else. And so OSPN is the organizer of Japanese largest OSS event series, the Open Source Conference. Open Source Conference is from official site. Open Source Conference events that showcase the current state of open source, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, so this kind of very large open source event held by each Japanese country, each Japanese region, not only the Tokyo, but also the Fukuoka, Sapporo, Kyoto, or such kind of lot of place OSC happens. This is a picture of the OSC. This is a lot of booths as COSCAP has also. And this is a seminar, and this is a lightning talk. And OSPN Japan Special Track is, this track is for COSCAP participants who are interested in presentation by Japanese OSS enthusiasts speaking at OSS and OSC and other OSS events. Thanks for COSCAP organizers and Masafumi Ota-san make this track possible. This track will be conducted in English with a few exceptions. Of course, all slides is in English, so you can easily understand the whole tracks. This is a program of the special track day 2. Now I'm greeting to you. So it's not a big issue anyway. And from 10:45, there is a talk titled Learning Mathematics with Lean by Yuki Otsuka. Yuki is a computer science student, and he loves the programming language theory, a type kind of the type system or something like that. So if you thought such kind of the programming language theory, you have to listen his presentation. And he is the youngest member of our special track. Next is 1130 titled the status of the CJK language support in LibreOffice 2022. 4, sorry, 2024 by Shinji Enoki. Shinji is a very active LibreOffice community member, and he talk in the, for example, not only the COSCAP but also the any OSC event, and also he also joined to the LibreOffice conference in Europe. And this talk will describe the LibreOffice has what kind of features, CJK related feature. Anyway, CJK is a Chinese, Japanese, Korean. This is a East Asian languages. I mean, so LibreOffice has a lot of the features about CJK. So he described that, and what kind of the issues still remains. If you have an interest not only the LibreOffice but also the desktop open source internationalization, please join his talk. And take a lunch break. After the lunch break, from starting the 13 o'clock, leveraging RISC-V SBC with Ubuntu by Mitsuya Shibata. Shibata-san is a very well embedded engineer, and also he's a Ubuntu Japanese member of the Ubuntu Japanese team, Ubuntu local community. And even though his talk is in Japanese, but his talk is really awesome. I already heard his talk because I'm a session handler, so his talk is already on my laptop. So, but if you have strong interest, RISC-V or embedded computing, you should join this talk. Anyway, time is still remains. Okay, lots of time I have. Anyway, next session will be 1355. Would you love all to be operating your server? The tips for doing via my experience running my DNS. This should be should be a JA, so he speaks in English, right? So this talk is by Takeshi Kaburagi. Kaburagi-san is a very famous service owner of the MyDNSJP, very famous dynamic DNS service. So in his talk, not only express the MyDNSJPs, inside MyDNSJPs, and some news of MyDNSJP, but also he will talk about how to create your own server in home, or some not only just put web dashboard and deploy it to cloud. Not just the same such kind of things. If you want to real Linux server, so his talk is the must to join. And next is 1440 from 1440. titled Enhanced Comic Search with Vector Index by Koji Anora. Anora-san is a very widely IT solution, widely experienced IT solution, and but nowadays he is focusing on the graph database. Oh, I forgot the name, but anyway, so graph database is a very important technology right now. So maybe his talk will talking about the enhanced comic search with vector index is such kind of the related issue. If you have interest about graph database, and also if you have a comic search, interest about comic search, please enjoy his talk. Yeah. And the last one is not only so important, it is my talk. Let's tackle open source supply chain issue with open source. Nowadays, supply chain issue is very important in the technical situation. So Linux Foundation creates the subgroup of the Open OSS, Open SSF, Open Source Supply Chain Foundation. Open Source Security Software Foundation, sorry. Anyway, Software Security Foundation. Sorry. Anyway, so my talk is a very basic talk. I am describe what is supply chain, what is S-bone, how to use the S-bone with your computer, such kind of things. But this is the last session, so maybe all of you are so tired. But if you have interest about open source supply chain risk, please come to here and listen to me. Okay, and not only we have a talk about the several themes from Japan, but also we have a booths from Japan. One is this name. I'm not sure this name, but maybe Japanese booth. This is Linux magazine in Japan, and this is a fanzine. How can I say fanzine? So in Japanese, it's doujinshi. It's a free, take free, so you can take it. And there is a ton of sticker. This is so funny things of Japanese open source society, but creates lots of stickers is our culture. So if you want to grab it, this is totally free. And this book will be a gift for someone. Maybe after the lunch break, you stop by the booth and, hey, I want to this. So you are lucky guy. And next is automotive grade Linux. Honestly to say, I'm not so know about the automotive grade Linux, but they create the automotive embedded system by Linux. So they demonstrate the dashboard of the car. So maybe so not only me, not from me, they too will expression anyway. And the last one is so Open Cocon. Open Cocon is created by him, Linux distribution. He want to make old machines brand new. Of course, this kind of the old machines already hard to use the current Linux system, even though Linux system is right. But for example, this kind of machine is already hard to move the Ubuntu or such kind of the current operating system. But he considered this is still useful to the remote desktop client. So OpenCocon focusing on the such kind of the remote desktop client. This is he creates. He's a founder and creator of the OpenCocon. If you have such kind of the things, please stop by and ask him. He's a very nice guy. Anyway, lots of times still remains, but I cannot speak 30 minutes to the just a greeting. Anyway, thanks for gathering. I hope you enjoyed our talk and booth, and keep good relationship with COSCAP and OSPN. Thanks.